In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your PayPal business account. Whether you're transitioning to a new platform or simply no longer need your PayPal account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right into it to ensure you have a smooth and hassle-free experience. First, head over to the official PayPal website using your preferred web browser. This is where you'll initiate the closure process. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the login button and enter your credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might see an option to receive a verification code via WhatsApp or text message. Choose your preferred method and enter the code when prompted. After logging in, you'll land on the PayPal homepage. Take a moment to ensure any remaining funds are either withdrawn or transferred to your bank account, as closing your account will mean losing access to your available balance if left unattended. With that sorted, look towards the top right corner of the page for the settings icon, often symbolized by a gear icon. Click on that to proceed. In the settings menu, you'll find various options for managing your account. Here, look for the data and privacy section. This is typically where you can control how your information is handled. Selecting this section will lead you further into managing your personal data. Now, within the data and privacy settings, you'll want to look for the option labeled Delete Your Data, Close Account. Clicking on this will guide you to PayPal's data deletion and account closure process. It's important to read through any notifications or prompts carefully, as closing your account is permanent and non-reversible. Once you've confirmed your intention to close the account, PayPal may ask for additional verification. They might prompt you to verify your identity, which can include re-entering your account password or other security checks. Complete all requested verifications to ensure a smooth closure. After completing all these steps, your PayPal business account will be closed. You should receive a confirmation from PayPal acknowledging the account closure. It's also a good idea to check your email for any official correspondence from PayPal regarding the closure. And that's it, you've successfully closed your PayPal business account. Remember, if you change your mind, you'll need to open a new account from scratch. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, PayPal's customer support is just a click away to assist you further. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.